Every adventure comes with a different story. Times may have changed and have changed our ways of adventure, but this one is definitely one for the books. Camiguin is a small island province in the Philippines known for its volcanic landscape and natural beauty. As soon as we arrived at the island born of fire, we registered on their website to generate the QR code. With abundant outdoor activities, it's a perfect destination for nature lovers and adventure seekers.
Hi!
It's all like Mingaw here. Rico and Red Riding Hood. We found a beach near our accommodation in Mambahaw. Our first day was a relaxed one as we prepared ourselves for the upcoming days full of adventure. Runners Camiguin. Hey.
Kilometers. Char.
Kami nag-jogging dito sa Camiguin, guys. Jollibee. After that early morning 15-kilometer jog, we started the real adventure. For this day, we did a day tour to different easy spots in Camiguin. Our first stop is at the Tungatok Cove viewpoint, where it shows a beautiful overlooking view of the cliff and the ocean. Our next stop is the Sunken Cemetery. Did you know that this cemetery in Camiguin was submerged after a volcanic eruption in the 1870s? Now, a giant cross marks the spot where an entire cemetery lies beneath the sea. You can actually snorkel or dive here, but due to time constraints, we have to skip it. Our next stop was quite unplanned. We stopped by the soda water pool while waiting for our lunch to be served at a nearby eatery. Our guide recommended it actually, since it was on our way to our next destination, which is a waterfall. The soda water pool in Camiguin is a natural spring where the water supposedly has a slight fizz, similar to a soda. While it doesn't taste exactly like a soda, we enjoyed dipping into the cold and refreshing water. Hey guys, we are here at Tuasan Falls. I'm here with Bini. With Bini Dana.
Bini Dana ish.
Bini Birocha. Oh, the meaning. Anay? So you guys have to pay 75 pesos to be here at Tuasan Falls. Let's go. Tuasan Falls in Camiguin is one of the island's hidden gems, surrounded by lush greenery. Unlike many waterfalls that require a long hike, Tuasan is actually easily accessible, making it a perfect spot for a quick and refreshing dip in its ice-cold and fresh water. Muna, eh! Eh! Katibawasan po, 75 ya po ng entrance. Lagi lang umaawi. Kuraan yung t-shirt ni Sir Art, eh. Ha? Talik ko rin. Hey, come on, hey. Shout out, kay. Hey, says. Our next stop is Katibawasan Falls, which resembles Tuasan Falls but is taller with a smaller water stream. It's a fun way to literally chill because of the cold water. On the next day, we embarked to a hiking trip at Mount Hibok-Hibok. Man, why did I do this?
Why, oh 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 why, why, oh 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 why, oh.
This trip is definitely not for the faint of heart. You have to hike a steep ascent for about 3 hours with just one water source at the beginning of the trail and no flat sections, followed by another 3 hours to descend. There's also a part of the trail where you need to be cautious of leeches. Why oh why? But I guess it was worth it, especially for my friends who reached the summit. Good for them! With our proper gear and preparation, I opted to reach only the crater. Perhaps a revenge hike next time? We'll see. Mukbang man. Busog na. Hey guys, so we just came down from Hibok-Hibok and we are here at Ardent Spring. It's a hot spring, but they said that it's not that hot anymore than before. Let's dip in the spring because we're too tired from the hike in Hibok-Hibok. Let's go. The spring's heat is believed to have therapeutic properties, making it a popular spot for relaxation and a soothing soak after a day of exploring. But actually it's not that hot anymore right now, so don't be dismayed. Oh. On our last day in Camiguin, we embarked on an island hopping adventure. We started at the famous White Island, a beautiful sandbar with a picturesque view of Mount Hibok-Hibok. We also visited Mantigue Island, which is quite a distance from our previous destination. It's a small island with beautiful and healthy marine life. It was a bummer though that I didn't bring my long fins. I would have had fun freediving in the area. Nevertheless, we enjoyed this final spot on our 4-day adventure.
Ito yung sa naga? Say, describe naman lasa si Jay. Mami, i-compare or something daw.
This trip to Camiguin was pure adventure. It's funny how we didn't visit the local bars to party but only had a few beers in our rooms, which is kind of different from our previous travels. We also opted to rest early instead of staying up late and waking up early. I guess this is the effect of aging. Hi mga auntie and uncles. Thank you, Camiguin. You have been amazing.